Shoimwa Zahom, which means my name is Susan Zam. Today we'll be looking at some sentences in Berom. Common mistakes in Berom. Part 5. Gara ho. Gara is a Hausa word, so it's wrong to say Gara ho. The right thing to say is Kanduga ho. Kanduga ho, which means better you or better yours. Okay? Cross or tsalleke cross gomo, tsalleke gomo. Cross is an English word. Tsalleke is a Hausa word. Do not say cross gomo or tsalleke gomo. The right thing to say is yedo or yedo agomo. Yedo agomo. Yedo ve bagomo. Cross to the other side or cross over to this side. Yedo ve bagomo. Okay? Duk dano. Duk is a Hausa word. Don't say duk dano. The right thing to say is mwadano. Mwadano. Duk is mwa in Berom. So you say mwadano, which means even with that. Even with that. Next. Masi walk senyi. Masi walk senyi. Senyi is not a Berom word. Do not use it in your sentence. The right thing to say is Masi walk gul. Masi walk gul. Senyi is gul in Berom, which means I am cold. Okay? Next. Senyase. Most times you hear people say senyase. Senye, like I said earlier on, is a Hausa word. Do not use it. Do say gulgwase. Gulgwase, which means it's a cold weather. Okay? It's a cold weather. Gulgwase. We'll be stopping here for today. Thank you for participating. I hope to come soon with more interesting things for you to learn. I remain your Susan Zam. Once again, remember to subscribe to E-Dagwi World YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I feel good whenever I come to teach you, and I hope you do enjoy your lessons. Okay? Bye and see you.